Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive subscribers and subbies, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I have chosen to polish off this stack that I got Tuesday morning. I think I have made about 16 more of these little purses. I just haven't finished them yet. So I can polish off this because I really am not a fan of this stack. So I just want to get it out of my collection. And the rest I'm going to use to make, where are they? I'm going to make some tea bag holders. And they look like this. These are not finished yet. Do I have a tea bag up here somewhere so I can show you how it looks? Here's one right here. And I'll put a tea bag on this side like so, and there's a space for another one on this side, so it's a double tea bag holder. So that's what I'm about to do right quick, and this should not take long. I cut the paper down to 6 by 6 squares, so 4 out of a 12 by 12. You just fold it in half. And once you fold it in half, you put the folded edge up against, can you see that? Let me adjust the camera just a little bit, right, so I can see if you guys see it. Okay. You put the folded edge to the left of your scoreboard, and you're going to score right here at 1/2 inch. And because you're scoring through a couple of sheets, really get your score in right here. And then you're going to put the folded edge at the top. Let me adjust this camera again. Okay, and from here you're going to score, excuse me, at 2 3/4 inches right here, and get your score in good. And from here you can do 5 5/8, which is the notch right next to or right after the 5.5 inch mark. Or you can just flip it and go and do 2 3/4 inches. So now it should look like this. I don't know if you'll see, I'll be able to see all the score marks. So now all we're gonna do is fold these. I'm gonna get these down really good here. Okay. And on these two sides right here, these are the sides that we're gonna glue down. And the tutorial that I watched, the young lady said you really didn't have to glue these down if you didn't want to, but I would rather glue it down to make sure that it stays in place. And it may stay in place anyway, but better safe than sorry. So I'm just gonna use my art glitter glue. Glue that in place. Put the top back on. Put the pen back in here. I have been so lucky to keep up with that pen. Have mercy. So what you do from here is you just fold it on that middle score line. Fold them so that they meet. And I'm gonna do this just because. And then on the next score line, you fold it back. I guess I can do that too. And then you fold it back. And you would decorate it from here. I don't even have anything that I was going to decorate it with. I'm just going to probably punch a hole in the top here. As a matter of fact, let me see. Hold on. I have some that I completed earlier. Well, they're not finished yet. I want to go and see if I can find an image that may say something like tea time, and put that image on with a pop dot on at least one side of these. But basically these are done. I just put a little piece of twine here. I punched a hole in the top of this. Actually, I rounded the corners first with my corner rounder, and I punched a hole with my hole puncher, and I tied a little piece of this twine in them and added the T's. So like I said, I want to see if I can find a little graphic online that says tea time and put it on with a dimensional or with foam tape, and hopefully that'll spiffen these up some. I know I have some different color twine. I'm going to try to find some red. I know I got a little bit of red and white, but I'm going to see what I can find. Okay guys, that's it. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys. Oh, and by the way, I'm put these up for $2 a piece. Bye bye.